Well. Let's get the link for this. Upcoming stream. Let's post the thing on my... Well, let's get the chat. Docs, YouTube, live, control pane, chat. Okay. At everyone. All right. So let's just get the music going on. Yeah, so today I want to work on the OS developer options. So this is related to, what did I work on the previous stream? I forgot in INI parser. Okay, so there's a small problem with OS developer options, which is the, not these guys, is this declare singleton, right? I need to make sure that it works as expected. So declare singleton, I'll need to override this. Yeah. Delete inst. I don't know if it exists, the delete instance. Oh wow, seems to indeed exist. Okay. But yeah. So I'll just need to copy this and bring it here. And then, yeah, and the define singleton. It's just, I can ignore the defined singleton. So let me think about this. Can I ignore this? Yes. For this purpose, I can indeed ignore this. As inst. Yeah. So what I'll need to do, okay. So let's just, I won't copy everything. And I only need this inst, as far as I know. I don't need anything else. So this. So just cleaning stuff here. Okay. Okay. So what I'll pass here is actually the instance pointer. So, right. Exactly there. Where's the other? Right here. And where's the thing? It's right here, the instance. So where's main? So read win main. Yeah. So that's the destructor. That's the wrong one. Ah, great. So here it is. 108, that's fine. And this is the constructor. Yep. OS developer options. Sitar, yeah. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. So that's a pointer. What I can do is just define this. So go here, class name, and your OS developer options inst, and patch. Provide the already existing instance. Okay, so return, bam. Maybe to shut the compiler up, static cast. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to turn on the thing. Toby, mess dev. Cannot convert from what? Oh, okay. I know what I need. I have reinterpret cast. That's what I need. Instance is not a member. Parser 58. Oh yeah, this guy I can nuke it out. I don't need this. Beautiful. So yeah, I need to see where I use this. So tab new terminal OS developer. What's the name of the file? I forgot. Source. It's W32 file. So yeah. OS file open. Okay, now I can look at open this guy. Okay, OS developer options. Flag 32. Kinda problematic, I gotta say. So is flagged. So that ini parser.h. I think that's enough. Yep. Oh, it actually worked. First try. Wait, that's a pointer to a pointer. Okay, I have a bug. So inst. Yeah. My bad. So what I need to do is this. Wait, I'm getting a phone call. What the fuck? Bruh, fucking marketing agencies. They, oh my gosh. Jesus Christ. Fucking marketing agencies. With the shady aesthetics. Okay, now it looks really good. And I'm trying to be nice and say, excuse me. And they're like, oh, can I call later? No, my fucking god. Fucking 24. Okay, that looks good. Maybe I should add validation to this. Because, yeah. Does it really matter though? Okay. Okay, good. Git diff. Flag move editor. Okay, git commit. Yeah, so how am I going to add validation for this? So is move editor. So validate OS developer options. So this guy should be, I just put 0 and see what happens, right? Let's build this. Oh yeah, let me get the validator then. So cd-toby. What? cd-toby. Toby validator, release. I think it will take a jiffy for this to start. It got 24. Wait, is this the 2424 that I want? Yeah, boy, it worked. Okay, what else do I need? Okay, this is good. This is good. And I need to add validation here. So the proper size for this guy seems to be really. So I have the proper size, which is really good to know /c. Oh wow, it's taking way longer to validate now. Okay. Got to 64. What? Oh, okay. One is hexadecimal. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay. Validate OS developer options. Okay, it's good to see that validation in place. Okay, what do I? Now I need to do the. This. Alrighty, so let's just, yeah. Oh, looks very similar, I gotta say. So just gotta go here. Yeah. Yeah, this looks really good. And yeah, so this sitar thing. Come on, man. Sauce. Okay, I have a typo, which is good. 97 to 18. Perfect. You. So this is an okay and matching, but I like to add it to my patches. So oh, so void patch OS developer options. That's fine. And patch push ret. Okay, this should work, I guess. I see, I see. So patch push red poly and not that. This guy. No. Okay, whatever. Just go here and voila. So that's how it goes. Let's actually run this. Yeah, validator validated. So let's run the copy. Now I need to run the tools, the X window. So yeah, 92. That's what I want to see. So let's see if everything worked as expected. Yeah, okay, it seems to be working. Nothing to see here. Okay, turned out to be much more simple than I thought it would be, which makes me happy. But now let's take a look at the other things around here, right? So OS, this guy. This is the destructor, I see. Alrighty. It's not really mandatory, but I can just do it, right? Do I have it here? It's very similar. So if I do this, right? I go here and do Spidey TM, NEI parser, right? OS, yeah, this guy. If I do virtual, right? If I do this, how will it change though? Oh yeah, okay. So the problem is that, okay, it has no body. And it was complaining. So let's see if I can override the destructor. You know, just for completeness sake. This becomes slightly different though. So the auto-generated code is different than the regular one, right? Yeah, slightly different. So it's already calling the same function. So let's just keep it that way. Okay, the other thing that I wanted to do is the color stuff. Okay. I'm going to avoid the STL as long as it's available, because I can do that anytime. So there's this class called color, like this one over here, somehow seems to be used. So is color pointer something used? Game get for color. That's crazy. There's a color 32. And this one looks cool. You know, set render color, okay. This is used by entity or something, whatever. Can I find it? That is the question. So there's this spider logo stuff. Oh, even there, okay. I can definitely use that for my own advantage. Oh. Turns out I cannot use it for my own advantage. That's fine. So, color. Can I find anything related to color? Set. Oh, wait, color 32. Ah, shit. Almost. Okay, let's look for it then. Update camera. Process movement jumping. Oh, look at this beauty. Message board posts. Dragon Punch, target entity. So it's this one. Great. So the color looks like to be... what? There's a bunch of 255s. Huh. What is that? So... entity get name. Well, I guess there's a lot of inline, yeah, going on here. So where is this color used though? Oh. I can see why this is not, okay. I think that's debug stuff that never materialized then. Interesting, because it's used in message board post, right? Everything seems to be nuked. Game message board in it. Kind of interesting. What is this message board thing? I don't know, it's part of the game, so let's have fun with it, right? So, does it have 3? No. Yeah, it basically does nothing. Ah, std vector deleter. And yeah, it's basically, it's useless. Alrighty. I wanted to do color though. What about beam though? Register beam library? My god. Alright. What the heck? Beam effect kill. I was looking into beam before. Okay, gun, beam as. Yeah, okay. Render beam. I was looking at beam. But it takes a color 32. I think that's how I went into beam though. So beam, okay, it's beam, not beam effect. Set beam color. So looks like it was in line here. Is color 32. So where is beam created though? Beam, what the fuck? So you may have a destructor, but okay. That's interesting. Acquire, entity acquire, whatever that means. Set thickness. Hmm. Do I have beam or no? I don't have any crazy things. Class beam. Oh, it needs an entity before. Okay, that's not good. Entity is a gun. Alrighty, there's a lot of things to be done here. No, the constructor is crazy. The constructor wants to kill me. Fuck. Another one that I can do. Fuck. Okay, let's think about what I can do then. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What can I do? Mm-hmm. So much stuff going on with app. Font manager. No, another list delete. This is so crazy, man. File manager. Wait, there's a file manager. Swap in aux stash. Stash. Oops, that's a big one apparently. Yoink. But can I do the color? Def seater. Default constructor, I guess. Goblin melee AI. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's this guy. Yes, it's this. Yeah. Hmm. Come on, man. Oh, maybe I should do the STL very soon. Because there's so much STL stuff going on. Shocker. I cannot do shocker though. Mm-hmm. Fucking STD stuff. I want self-contained stuff, but man, it's really hard to find self-contained. What should I look into? No, I can do some of maybe bone. Can I do the bone stuff? Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. So this thing is this thing. This guy looks like it's entity. Hmm. It looks like signaler, to be honest. Signaler. So signaler. I think I found the signaler though. Yeah, right here. Okay. So what is a signaler though? Signals. This guy. So it's flags, a pointer, signal list, signal. So let's make this signaler. Whatever. Ah, shit. I think I cannot do it because it's a signal list. Let's take a look at this signaler. Signaler pointer. So the destructor seems to be. Okay, it was right here. Signals. Okay, so the name is signals. The fuck, where is that shit defined then? Oh my god. Okay, flags. Okay, that's flags. So raise signal. It's defined in the header for some reason. Hmm. Okay. I do have the stuff here. So it's just a matter of, oh god. Uh, good. Okay. Now it's a matter of comparing. If it's good, it's good. If not, I'll need to. Yeah, I want to avoid the STL as much as possible, but it's getting hard. So construct signal. Does it look similar though? Oh yeah, I need to find. Yeah, okay. This is not the I think this is the race signal. Yeah, that was the race signal. About this guy. It looks really similar though. Oh wow. Oh wow, okay. It's actually good. Actually doing the exact same thing. Okay, I'm liking it. So maybe I can. Okay, the Unix spy. Wait. Hopefully this doesn't break anything. Okay. Um. So actually, what STL are they using then? So this looks good. Well, now I can do friend void validate signaler, right? And friend patch. Okay. And I can go to Spidey source signal. Yep. Good stuff. So validate signaler. Okay. Good. So patch push ret. This guy. Signaler. No, signaler, construct signal list. That's good. And this is really cool. Really cool stuff. Include my assertion. So my patch. It should build with no issues, okay. Now I need to go to DLL main and add validation to signaler. Then add patch to signaler. Patch signaler. Signals. This guy. My validations, yes. This goes here. This goes here. Okay. I know that the validation will be wrong, but so let's run the validation now. Yeah, validation failed. Okay, C looks good. So signal CPP. Okay, this looks good. All right. What else do I need? Not this, not this. Copy. So just start the game. Seems to be working. When is signal list called though? So I can go here to signals.h. More importantly, let's do it. Copy this guy. I think it only happens when I'm, in game. Maybe it's mostly overridden. Forgot that this game has mouse support. Oh, I should also validate the vtable index, right? It's kind of an important aspect. So, okay. Let's just get Toby again. So construct signal list. For some reason, signal list seems to be an STD list, while the vector seems to be... Wait, but... I don't know, this is weird. How are they using these different types of lists, right? See? Whatever. I'm not going to complain. What else do I need here? Mm-hmm. Oh no, it's a fast vector. Oh. All right. So I basically saved myself by having this fast vector implementation. Oh wow. That's so cool. I never expected to be saved by this. Alrighty. So disable. Can I just go crazy on this? What the fuck? So just do this and start exporting everything. Export. Export. But these guys exist, so therefore is an entity, is a trigger, and export. Okay. Let's just F7 this bitch. I should also patch the... Yeah, I don't need to patch the virtual methods because they already point to my function. Yeah, okay. And that's less stuff to patch, in my opinion. Not in my opinion, in reality, but yeah, whatever. Toby, Toby, Toby. Signaler. So construct signal list. And you have this return 0. I have no idea where it is used. Oh, that's bad. But I can build an idea of what's going on. Where are you? Okay, let's put this. So I don't know about these details. So raise signal is this guy. Apparently. Too deep, too deep. All right, so It looks like a destructor. To upper is never call. Wait a moment. Is an entity. Okay, is an entity. What the fuck? Signaler is an entity. Okay, looks good to me. Is a trigger. Signal error. Yeah. Is flag is an entity. Okay, that's good. Wait. Alrighty. Um, how am I gonna fix this? So how do I know that the things that I tagged these guys? Hmm. Fuck. Game. Game. What is this? Controller 2. Something related to controllers, I see. G master clock. App. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, it's happening there. So signaler VTable. Let's give it the proper name. Okay. So there's a destructor. Or here. Yeah, you do you, I guess. Scary. Is an entity, is a trigger, signal error, and signal array signal and signaler get signal name. Nice. Okay, and I guess this she's get the empty string. All right, get signal name. Okay, let's do the same. Get signal name. Good. And good. So Okay, matching. Okay, that's good. So what are the functions? Is an entity, is a trigger. So oh no. Is a trigger. So is a trigger. Signal error. No, is an entity. Cool stuff. So Toby. I don't know why I cannot see the rest. Why? Why is? Why is a trigger? What the fuck? I think I know why. Let me just. Right. Piece of shit. This guy. Okay, I need this guy. I don't know why. with the vtables and vtabling. Okay, signaler right here. Yeah, they point to the same one. Crazy. That's fine. Signaler. That's fine. Yeah, the offset seems to be cooked. Yeah, looks like to point to the same one twice, but that's fine. Raise signal. So that's wrong. Wait, no, that's correct. No, I have signal error. Signal error. Oh, wow. So this is a signaler. Oh, yeah, I don't have signaler. Signaler, yes. Just add a couple fields. Okay, that's good. So signaler, uint string x. Yeah, okay. Maybe this one is a little cooked. All right, so error, so it's a void signal error. All right, so his trigger. It doesn't exist. Okay, that's fine. So what I can do is export virtual void signal error and sign int const string x. Okay. What? No. My bad. Error. Signal error and sign int const string x. Okay. So maybe just go here. Signaler to do to do number already defined or declared. That's beautiful. Oh, it's really down there. Beautiful. So I have the validate vtable code on spidey So if I go here, I go to spidey this guy, yeah. Hmm, yeah. Okay, read into, compare buffs. No idea what those things are. Or I don't remember, to be more precise. My S. Urshins. Okay, that's good. So good. Okay. Oh shite. Yeah. Static inline. Hmm. Yeah, that's a problem. If not def, my patch H, line, and if. Okay. Well, oh well. If not def, my assertions, line, and if. Looks like I'll need to do I don't want to import that though. What? Ah. Okay. Everything seems to be clear. Validate with table. Alrighty. Then I'll need a code for validate with table index. Right over here. Bam. Yeah. So class member expected. Yeah. So this should build with no problems, I believe. User e2, okay. So the problem is, so user e2 and sign int. So this thing builds u8 const and sign char. Okay. Signals. Validate vtable. So now it's class signaler member. So let's take a look here, right? Zero, one. So is an entity. Let's put 5, right? Let's see how does this fare. From int to const and sign int. So get sync address, okay. Okay, let's just do this because I don't want to deal with this crap. All right, cannot convert from const int to that const. Okay, because this is static cast. Okay, let's go. 69 requires a reinterpret cast. What? That's what I did. So 6, 9. Cannot convert parameter to from int pointer to const. Oh, that's right. Doesn't matter. Yeah. So let's run the validation. And yeah, it failed because it's taking a jiffy. Got 1. Nice. Okay, this is what I want to see. So if I build this now, yeah, it's faster when it doesn't fail. This is kind of interesting, I gotta say. So let's just check all of these, right? So is a trigger to 2, raise signal, 3, construct signal list, should be 4, and finally the get signal name should be 5. Okay. Oh, something failed. Raise signal, expected 3 but got 4. The cool part is that I can just go here. And yep. Yeah, maybe I should finish the stream soon because I need to buy a couple things. Forgot what I had to buy. So fuck. Maybe I want to go today to do some shopping. I legit forgot what I had to buy. I'll just need to make a list. So what's the error? So raise signal expected 3. Wait, did I mess up? Oh yeah, that's true. I skipped signal error. So is the trigger should be is an entity 1, is it trigger 2, signal error 3, raise signal 4, construct signal list 5, 6. I forgot what I had to buy. What the fuck? Okay, whatever. Oh my god, validation went so quick. That's what I want to see. Okay, this is probably one of the greatest feelings in the world. These two things map to the same code. It's comdat being going brr on this. So git diff. So happy that I did the work on the other stuff. So now I can just make use of it. As an entity, construct signal list. What the heck? Who are you? So this is the V table. This guy. So what is A2? S raise signal. So it's an unsigned int. This is calling signal raise. What is signal raise, right? Number signals, yeah, whatever. So this yeah. Hmm. So let's take a look at raise signal. It's here. What the heck? Is this some kind of crazy magic? 32, 20. Hmm. So maybe okay, raise signal seems to have no overrides. But signal list size T, IDX. Okay. If signals. Okay. Hmm. Seems to be close but far away at the same time. Is 0 or 1. So shift F1. So 3. So this is 1, 2, 3. So divided by 4, it's 5. But it's offset 5, construct signal list. Oh, okay. This is signals indeed. Yeah, that makes sense. So this is the flags. Flags. I have no idea what's that field C, but who the fuck cares, right? Alrighty. Let's just put this here. And so flags. Flags, flags. So callback list. So outputs, I have no idea what these guys are. So if what the fuck? Can you just eat it, dick? Okay. I did this, right? No. In outputs. What? I'm so confused. callback list. Okay. Whatever. So I'm getting build errors. So what I can do is validate signaler flags at 4 and outputs at 8. No, there's flavor in flags. What is flavor? Flavor. Wait. Okay, I messed up. Okay, I need to address that. Class signaler. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yes, okay. Now I guess it's gonna work. So, field C. 2. Okay, now it feels better. Signals. So let's just build this and validate. Oh, it's going to fail. Good. And field C. Okay, now this should work. Validator, yeah, validator just run instantly. Okay. Yeah, it takes a while if it needs to print. Kind of funny. So I can just go to raise signal. And yep. This field C ID X. And yep. Not so. L value specifies const. Kind of weird, I gotta say. What's the problem here? Okay, builds like this. L value specifies. What the fuck? Const object my dick, man. Left value specifies a const object. What is this? But nothing is declared as what? This is what? Okay. Oh, come on. It's because of the const constraint. Fucking heck, man. That shit was bugging me. Piece of shit, man. Just because you define something as const doesn't make it const. My god. It was really throwing me for a loop. So what did I need to buy though? Array signal. Toby. This guy. Hmm. Oh, yeah, interesting. Yeah. Yeah, I need to fix this. Okay, let's just touch this slightly. Okay. This is how it should be. Okay, much better. This is not as good as I expected. Yeah, looks like this is that. So this part is close enough. Ah. Okay, so I'm missing an important part. So if signals equals touch. Okay, so this is how it should go. So array signal. Yeah. So everything looks good until here, and there's a signal raise. which I don't know if it's fine or not. Doesn't look fine. So maybe leave it for another time. But the most important part is what comes after. So compare. I see, I see. Toe beat. Want to have it matching. Yeah, looks like it's matching. Yep. So that's exactly what happened. What? Raise signal. Good. So do this, do this. Okay. Now I'll need to fix this guy over here. So what I gotta do, since this is wrong, just do a type def fast call void. So to do, so real raise pointer, and here I can have real raise. So add this, and here of course real raise pointer, and return. Okay, I cannot do return real raise. And here I do signal point, and I pass this. That looks good. Expected void. Okay, maybe I can put fast call here. Or I put here fast call. Ah, great. So now let me run the validator. That's great. And I forgot what I had to buy. What? Okay, I already knew two things. So raise this guy. signal raise. Okay, this is perfect. So let's just validate this. Then I can stop. Validation goes burr. Course, nothing so far. Racing. Maybe it's not even used, but oh well. The fuck? Just crashed. It just hanged. Not good, not good. So let's just do this, right? The fuck? Why did it hang though? It's not good. It's the opposite of good. Okay. So it works. So I need to do a binary search here. So I have here 5 patches. So let's do 2. And then let's do another 3. Maybe it's them working in tandem that breaks it. Maybe I should add debug prints. Because I have debug view installed now. Yeah, okay, this one of those two is the hanger. Right? What if it's raise signal, you know? Just, you never know. You never know. Well, let's just patch everything except raise signal. Yeah, looks like raise signal is the broken one. But why? Is it because of that print statement? Or let me see. I removed the print statement, but so indeed raise, but again, I need to make sure it's only this one that's causing the troubles. Okay, then looks like I'll need to debug stuff. Great. Did not expect to have to debug stuff, but that's what happens. What is actually happening though, right? So, okay. Is this address correct though? Seems like it. Patch push red. So, am I missing something? So let's start the debugger. Tools, x96, yes. Okay, you can go there. Oh, it's annoying to have to always move this to a different screen, but whatever. I'm on debugger, okay. Start as admin, yeah. What? Oh shit. Shit, I cannot move my fucking mouse. Whoa. Hardware break. Fuck you. My, what? Why is this bugging my computer so much? And my computer is not shite. Why is this happening? My fucking god. What the fuck is going on? What is causing this? So perform. VMAP. Like, I cannot see what's... What the fuck is going on? Just causes big slowdowns. Okay. Now if I do this... Okay, now it's moving. Okay. Fuck. But what is this though? Oh my god. Why is my mouse moving like this? I need a console. Okay, alt tabbing looks like it's regular speed. What the fuck? What is this address though? Do I have... Oh my fucking god, man. Give me the fucking address. I have no idea what's going on. Global? No, not this guy. Yeah, I'll probably report this. I have no idea what the fuck is going on. I don't know why this happens only with this game. I don't know if it's Windows. Like, the process manager is not crazy, going crazy. Who the fuck is this function? What? Can you... Okay. Signal or raise signal. What? Okay. So what I'm getting here, it's... Okay. Okay, it's not necessarily bad, but now I understand the issue. If that's the proper word. Okay. Now it's what? Now the validation has run. What the fuck is going on? Seriously, man. Invalid bytes. Yeah. I have no idea what's going on, nor do I care. Raise signal. This guy. Let's do it the old school way, right? This way. Maybe this will work. Okay. Let's start without the debugger then. It worked. What the fuck? Okay, it worked. Now I'm confused. Why did it work? But wait, if I start with the debugger, it gives an error. What? Oh, it's because I have a breakpoint. Yeah, fuck. Of course. Of course. That's what's going on. Okay, it was never hit. What the fuck? Toby. So where is raise signal though? Raise signal. Okay, I have the address of that function. It's at here. Okay, it's not called here. It was translate message, get thread start address. What? Okay, returns to this place over here. Copy address. Continue. Okay. So it's called once. Once. And what is this magical place? It's this guy over here. Right. Okay. Right. So what is the issue? I do have a black screen. Signal array signal. Okay. That's fine. Oh, is it going to the same place though? No, it seems to be going to different places. That does. Can this shit stop, man? Okay. So What is the problem then? If I do this, right? What is the issue then? I do this. Need to skip the cutscenes. Okay, now it should hit it. Yeah. It looks wrong though. What? So it gets into this infinite loop, but why? What? So what happens? I don't understand. Is this a problem with the optimizer though? Right? If I remove this, does this still happen? Why is it calling itself though? Shit. Okay. Skip the cutscenes. This is the moment. Okay. So race signal just calls itself. What the fuck? But why? What am I missing here? It should never be a thing. Oh, the vtable, yeah. Signal list, raise signal. Yeah. Copy. Let's go. Okay. Piece of shit, man. Why is this shit happening? What? So EAX, right? It's a table of address following down. So it jumps to that offset plus 10. It's what the thing is doing. Yeah, I can see that. But that offset is so that's like a stub or something. Okay. Hmm. So I guess the problem, yeah, this is very weird indeed. Because this is calling the virtual address. Okay, I see what's going on. No. It's doing like a jump. Alrighty. Is an entity, is trigger. But why do the others don't cause this type of trouble then? You know? That's my question. Why only this one in specific causes trouble? Why only this guy? Construct signal list. Even construct signal list. This raise signal. It's basically just a jump. So I see what's going on. It's just with the raw dog in the jump to the table address. Instead. So what I need to do is raise. Let's look for it. So here, the thing is that it's using this, which is wrong. Ah, so the reason why this doesn't work is because these are never called. You know, this is the first one that's called. Ah, get signal name. But yeah. Wait, no, that's validating. So this validate with table generates those stubs, right? So raise signal. Okay. That's the problem, okay. Oof. Okay, okay. Okay, now I understand why. Okay, now what I need to do is fix this. Poly. Okay. So, okay. Yeah, okay. Done. Not enough actual parameters. What? Patch push. Okay, I had forgotten to save. So now, that's why it worked. Now I understand. Now it works. Okay, I'm happy with this. Okay. This guy is done. Alrighty. So this is working. I'm happy with this. Git diff. Raise signal done. Okay, and I can bring back optimized songs. Yeah, that's cool. Git commit signaler raise signal. Yeah, okay, I did not add new files, so that's fine. I should report the bug to x64 dbg. So, yeah, quite happy with this. Okay, friend. Is good. Let's now save stuff. You can be saved by. You can be saved by. This guy can be nuked. Yeah. So So did I run the validate? Yes, I did. Accidentally. So now it's time to back up the IDBs. Python backup. And yeah, this just succeeded. This is cool. Okay, I'm happy. What else? What else? Let's just wait for this to finish. Yeah, I'd like to remind everyone that I have a blog and you should go there to learn more about it. Let's just wait for this to finish and open my blog. Maybe, yeah, here's my blog, the most recent post. You should all go there. Yeah, and it is finished. Yeah, okay. So the IDBs are saved. Okay.